I'm sure you've been there. Key turns and nothing. Stay with me. Simple checks first, then we try a jump. Step 1. Check the basics. Is the gear in park or is it in neutral? Is the steering wheel locked? Step 2. Listen. A rapid clicking often means the battery. If it cranks but won't catch, think fuel. Think ignition. One loud click, maybe the starter. Step 3. Most common fix. Jump start. Connect red to positive on dead battery. Connect red to positive on the donor battery. Attach black to donor negative terminal. Attach black to an unpainted metal ground, not the battery. Start the donor car first, then start your car. Watch for sparks. Stop if you smell anything odd. Step 4. If it still won't start, suspect the alternator. Suspect the fuel pump. Suspect the starter. Call roadside assistance. Quick recap. Listen. Check the battery. Jump start if needed. Call for help. Bookmark this guide so you're ready next time.